Ito na guys, exciting news aking mga kamotor. This is Coach Tony, producer and host for the upcoming TV show Buhay X Moto TV. Ang TV show para sa masang Pinoy riders. Follow our FB page now and become a member for a chance to win amazing raffle prizes, guys. Maari kayong manalo ng mga premyo tulad ng motor oil, gasolina, mga gulong, helmets at riding gear, at marami pang iba like cellphones and gadgets. Maybe even your own dream motorcycle. Join us now for the ultimate motorcycle experience and win lots of fantastic prizes for free. Maging katropa na ng BXM TV. Click on the link below or search Facebook for Buhay X Moto TV. Remember, click the follow button ha. Please guys, lalo na yung mga tropa ko, kilala nyo kung sino kayo. Pakishare nyo naman itong post dahil pag mas marami tayo, mas marami din ang maaring maging premyo. Pakita natin ang lakas, samahan at pagkakaisa ng Pinoy riders. Again, this is Coach Tony of Buhay X Moto, serving and caring for the Filipino rider, saying thanks, ride safe, and ride happy always. Peace.